Mastery of ISTE NETS C or 3C was done through mostly just attending the classes. It was talking about modeling effective use of online and blended learning and digital content and collaboration and learning networks. Most of our classes that we took through AUM were participating in these types of activities. And as we go through these, we can see that, I participated in various online discussions and worked with my classmates, and we collaborated in these environments, so we got to see the benefit of these, and we can see the benefit of applying them into situations as we teach. Another aspect of this standard is to, as far as blended and digital learning content, is this idea of micro-credentialing or digital badge, is where we get learning experiences as teachers to demonstrate what we've learned. This is an alternative to traditional professional development. And I attached a slide presentation where I go over the details of what micro-credentialing is. And this is a presentation, if I cleaned it up and made it a little pretty, that I could use to present this as an alternative to someone at the district level as an option for teachers to earn credits instead of having traditional professional development. This modeling that we can have these support networks for learning that are outside of our classroom, outside of our school, and see what other teachers are doing. And this is a great way to, and low-cost way for teachers to expand their skills outside of traditional professional development. The last part of the standard I wanted to address was providing evidence that our coaching and modeling improved other teachers' abilities to manage technology-rich environments. And I achieved this standard through, as we went through 7,400, we created websites, courses done on course sites, and we gave each other feedback. And this is a website that this wasn't my assigned partner, but she asked me to evaluate it because she knew I was also an English teacher and felt like I would have more insight into this as far as the content goes. So she gave me an opportunity to go through her website, her course site, and give her feedback on this. The person that I was assigned to give feedback to created just a quick course on how to use Jing. And then for mine, I created a online module that talked about how to, that discussed a pre-AP English as we're reading To Kill a Mockingbird. And this went through really technology-driven, and asked the students to do things in class and outside of class and to discuss with each other. I gave them specific discussion contents, ability to ask urgent questions to me, to write paragraphs about what qualities they felt like needed to be a hero, and links to their blogs. A lot of the discussion will be taking place on blogs for this, and gives them specific discussion questions to do each week and to reply to the classmates. Really, I modeled the format that we participated in a lot of our classes on Blackboard already. I felt this was a good way to model it since it was a new experience for me, creating on course sites. And I also asked the students to turn things in traditional ways as well, asking the students to create a character postmortem, which allows them to break down the characters as body parts and seeing how the characters act. So it gives them something tangible besides just doing it on the computer. They can use a digital template, or they can illustrate and draw something really big on butcher paper, but it gives them an opportunity to demonstrate what they learned in multiple ways. And again, this was something that was modeled through taking these Blackboard courses that I felt was effective to use in my own classroom.